Are you wondering where the fuse box is located in the 2024 Buick Encore GX and how to understand its diagram? In this guide, we'll cover the 2024 Buick Encore GX location, provide a fuse diagram, and explain each fuse's role to help you troubleshoot and maintain your vehicle's electrical systems. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2024 Buick Encore GX contains fuses and relays that manage essential functions like the engine control, cooling fans, ABS, and headlights. It helps protect these circuits from electrical faults. Proper functioning ensures vehicle safety and system stability. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2024 Buick Encore GX controls interior electrical components such as the infotainment system, interior lights, power windows, and climate control. It safeguards these circuits from potential electrical issues. Maintaining proper fuse function ensures reliable interior operations. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2024 Buick Encore GX manages electrical components like the rear wiper, rear lights, power seats, and trailer connections. It protects these circuits from electrical surges. Proper maintenance ensures the smooth operation of rear vehicle systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions, blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.